Today, I'm going to show you how to select multiple files on your MacBook using your mouse, the Command key, the Shift key, or a combination of all three. If the files you want to select are sitting right next to each other, the easiest way is to click and hold your left mouse button, then drag across the files to select them. If the files aren't next to each other, just hold the Command key and click each file you want to select. You can keep holding Command and drag your mouse to select more files if you want. Just make sure you don't click anywhere else or the files you already selected will stay selected. Now let's use the Shift key. As you know, macOS has 4 view modes. The Shift key won't work in the icon view, so I'm switching to the list view. First, click the first file. Then hold the Shift key and click the last file. Everything in between will be selected. If you want to add more files without losing your current selection, don't click anywhere else. You can switch to holding Command to select a few files that aren't near each other. If you want to select another group of files that are close together, keep holding Command and click the first file, then release Command. Now hold Shift and click the last file. Combining Shift and Command gives you a lot more flexibility when you need to select files in different and more complicated positions. And if you want to select all files in the folder, you can press Command-A to select all. Those are the quickest and easiest ways to select multiple files on your MacBook. I hope this video helps you work more comfortably on macOS. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides here on Easy Tech Steps.